Hey guys, so today this is for a video. Has some news for all my friends for school, from my school and classmates, and all my teachers and friends that live and kids that live right by me. And today it's been like rain today. It's been like rain today. It's like, look at this. It's been rain. Oh, it's fly. I think I got back to a few subscribers, but I need 84 right now, so I need to get a lot of subscribers. We're still packing up the fans, and today we used to do portable fans at home. We used to film these, demonstrate them, and now I do ceiling fans in public places. No fans I film. This is ceiling fans in public places. It's cool. Let's go in here. You put the cages in here. I put a light bulb. I added a light for this area. So I added a light for this area for that. I take the bulbs for this one side, and these two bulbs are gonna match together, so I can match up with these ones. So 3 bulbs can match, and the socket lights here. And top light and bottom light. So now we got the light there. So I added on. So I decided to add it on. Had some in here, so some of this closet the electrical balls. So yeah, that was. Alright, let's get going. Alright, let's get upstairs. So I'll stay in my room. So look, because I've seen it on the radar, so I can't go anywhere because I can't go to my friend's house, and I can't get to my friend's house, so I have to call them. And I had to call them, and then we're gonna go, and then we'll be at. We're still mentioning our deck for giving ideas, so and as you can see, there are 2 large rooms to this house. Alright, so here, let's go in here. I'm gonna try to do a video of this fan, so since on high, because it's been really hot here. In the summers, my survey put on highs in the summer, and now I'm gonna try to put on reverse. I'm not gonna put this one on reverse, so because Dad doesn't like being hot, so I'm not putting that one on reverse. That's why I try to put on reverse on my dad. it, and I almost got technology taken away. And I got back, so... Here's a printer here. This is my hammer that I use for fun smashing. That's a hammer. This is the hammer that I use for fun smashing. I'm gonna try to do a video of this one. And here, I was chilling out in my room, scrolling through my phone, and it's been raining. It's been like raining. Because this is our classic. We got some stuff. It's try to get back downstairs and down here. There. In the winter we don't do fun smashing. In the summer is fun smashing is for the summer and not summer and like I'm here, it's going here. Alright, been in here. Guys, so thanks for watching. So, and please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell and give this video a like and I'll see you guys later. Bye.